Hey YouTube, it's Alicia. I'm back with another video. I will be doing a WWE video a little bit about around 4 o'clock before WWE comes on and my predictions for tonight. So let's get started. So this is a DIY show off, but before I do, I want to tell you a little bit more. I end up purchasing this shelf. I purchased this shelf about 4 or 5 or 6 years ago, and at the time I purchased it from Fred's. Fred's is no longer here in Mississippi no more. Okay, they went out of business. All right. Now it's been years later, and I decided to revamp it. So the things you're gonna need for this project, you're going to need some gems. You're gonna need some bling wrap, and you're gonna need some glass crystal jewelry beads. Yes, you can find them in the craft section at Walmart. That's where I got it. And so I decided to kind of give it a little bit of a revamp. But yeah, so yeah, let me show you what it is looking like. Oh, and make sure you have E6000. And this is what it is looking like, if you can see it and stuff. But I am thinking about doing a little bit more on the sides here and stuff, what you can see and think. But I want to hear your point of view. How do you feel about this? And if you can't tell, the glass beading, look, it looks great. I might just go back and just fill the rest of it in. I just didn't use all of them at first, so I might just go back and fill it in. But yeah, that's that. Oh my God, I sent this picture to my sister, and my sister went bonkers. My sister is this simple, she like went bonkers. She's this simple, clean looks. That's her. I'm all glam. I don't care. Glam, glam, glam. I love black. I love white. I love silver. I love color. But no matter what, this is something I like. So y'all, let me hear your point of view. What do y'all think of my revamp of my shelf? Until then, y'all, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe.